Did you know that Google's popular NotebookLM has just gotten an upgrade? I present the NotebookLM Plus, a premium AI notebook that can process and synthesize information from over 100 documents in mere seconds. In today's video, I'll show you how this AI research tool has transformed my workflow and become an absolute game changer for enterprise users, content creators, researchers, and students. I'll walk you through its mind-blowing audio transcription capabilities, show you how it can generate summaries and insights faster than any human researcher, and reveal the unique features that set it apart from other AI notebooks and research tools. Prepare to witness its seamless document integration and incredibly intuitive interface that makes complex research feel like a breeze. Google launched NotebookLM a year ago, and while it might feel like an AI-enhanced version of Evernote or Microsoft OneDrive, it goes beyond that. With this tool, I applied artificial intelligence to my imported notes and documents, allowing me to create summaries, outlines, study guides, or various other types of content. This feature is useful when I'm juggling information from multiple sources in one notebook. What used to take me 30 minutes to an hour can now be done in about 30 seconds. I love how it gets me a first draft so quickly. Instead of spending ages organizing my thoughts or synthesizing information, I can focus on refining the output. The tool has made managing my notes faster and more efficient, freeing time for other important tasks. It's a game changer for anyone who deals with a lot of information and needs to make sense of it all in a streamlined way. So, how did NotebookLM Plus come to be? In 2025, Google introduced NotebookLM Plus, an improved version of NotebookLM with a subscription plan. This is in response to NotebookLM users who seek to extend the limit on the number of notebooks, audio overviews, and chat interactions they can create at a time. This new offering is accessible to business and enterprise clients, as well as educational institutions like schools and universities through Google Workspace or Google Cloud. Additionally, those subscribed to Google One AI Premium will also be able to enjoy the benefits of this upgraded tier. NotebookLM Plus is set to provide users with enhanced features and capabilities to meet their needs. With this expansion, Google aims to cater to the growing demands of its user base while ensuring that everyone can make the most of their NotebookLM experience. As a result of this upgrade, we can manage 500 notebooks and 300 sources for each notebook. It's a substantial increase from the earlier restrictions of 100 notebooks and 50 sources. On top of that, Google has enhanced the daily usage limits, permitting up to 500 chat queries and 20 audio generations each day, a significant jump from the previous limits of just 50 queries and 3 audio generations. Since NotebookLM Plus is premium, it's evolved with new features that enhance the experience for professionals who subscribe to their paid offerings. One exciting addition allowed me to turn my notebooks into a public knowledge base or a help center. This transformation can simplify access to information and make sharing knowledge more efficient. Additionally, I can now customize the AI's conversational tone. A new feature called Guide allowed me to choose a style synonymous with a helpful guidebook or concierge. This guide mode is different from the default AI setting, which, while rich in information, tends to lack a more casual, engaging touch. This guide option creates a more personable interaction. By providing these new features, NotebookLM aims to make tasks easier while fostering a more approachable and user-friendly environment for its subscribers. If you're enjoying the video, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. Also, ensure you subscribe by tapping the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Your support truly means everything to me. Now, let's resume the video. NotebookLM has come a long way since its inception as a minimal viable product, or MVP, and now Google has given it a fresh design update. The company has transitioned from the previous 2-panel layout to a more versatile 3-panel interface. Stephen Johnson, the editorial director at Google Labs, describes this new approach as a flexible or dynamic interface that seamlessly adapts to whatever tasks you're engaging in within the app. This design is incredibly versatile and can easily adjust to fit your needs. For instance, when I wanted to take notes on an important document, I could expand the source viewer and the notes editor side by side. At other times, when I prefer to chat and ask questions while listening to an audio overview, that's also doable. The interesting thing about this tool is that while this UI overhaul may feel new, Google has laid the groundwork for this design in previous updates. By planting these seeds of the updated look and feel, they're ensuring that users will find the transition smoother and more intuitive. It's exciting because this new design made it easier to switch between different activities in a single, unified interface. The redesign has organized NotebookLM into 3 areas. On the left side, or panel, you'll see the Sources panel, which manages all your information and sources. This area holds all the knowledge you're importing to help with your task. Essentially, this is where the platform utilizes your information to train the AI, setting the foundation for its research and responses. Moving over to the middle, or Chat panel. Here, you can engage directly with the AI. It's your interactive space, allowing you to ask questions and receive answers. Finally, on the right side is a fresh feature called the Studio, introduced by Google. This is your creative zone, where you can make things happen, turning ideas into tangible outputs. All you need to do is click a button to create new stuff like study guides, briefing docs, and audio overviews from your sources. Initially, NotebookLM was powered by the Gemini 1.5 Pro model for its operations. However, Google has been experimenting with Gemini 2.0 Flash within NotebookLM Plus. This new version brings substantial enhancements to the writing and research functionalities. With these upgrades, users can expect a more refined experience that boosts their productivity and creativity. The improvements in Gemini 2.0 Flash will make tasks easier and more efficient, allowing for better support in various writing and research endeavors. The biggest and standout capability of NotebookLM Plus is the Join and Interact with AI Hosts feature, which allows users to interact with the AI hosts in audio overviews. Previously, users could only listen to a dynamic conversation between the hosts. Now, you can speak to them with your voice, and the hosts will listen attentively and respond in real time. This creates an experience similar to passing a note during a podcast recording. You can ask clarifying questions about complex topics within your source material, get deeper explanations on specific points, and prompt the AI to elaborate on certain aspects. With this feature, users act like personal tutors or guides by having a live conversation with the AI hosts while listening to the audio summary of their documents. For example, when reading a research paper or complex article and I want a deeper understanding, I use the Join feature to ask the AI hosts to explain complex concepts. It can also provide further context when asked in real time as I listen to the audio overview. Currently, this Join feature is still in beta, so functionalities may be limited and could change. The quality of the AI's responses will depend on the information provided in the original documents you uploaded. It's also exclusive to new audio overviews and is only available in English, with plans for expansion into other languages later in 2025. Some users have found various creative uses for the tool, whether workshopping their short stories or having the AI read through personal journals to narrate their life experiences. Additionally, users have tapped into the feature to highlight their achievements from resumes, aid in study sessions, and explore countless other applications. However, you should be aware that the AI hosts may occasionally pause awkwardly before replying and might hallucinate, generating responses that aren't entirely accurate. While this adds a unique interactive twist to their podcast experience, it also highlights some of the quirks associated with AI technology. Audio overviews are better than everything else in NotebookLM because they're powered by Gemini 2.0. As a result, this tool understands your notes and brings them to life with engaging audio. If you're looking for a more dynamic way to interact with your notes, this is it. With Gemini 2.0 guiding the way, these audio overviews offer a fresh and innovative twist that makes learning and reviewing much more enjoyable. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to absorb information in a lively and engaging way. And a great update is that NotebookLM Plus will be included in the subscription of Gemini Advance in the first quarter of 2025, so we'll be able to have a great bundle of applications with one single plan. If you want to learn more about it, watch my latest video where I explain why Gemini Advance is better than ChatGPT Plus. And there you have it. NotebookLM Plus is not just another tool. It's a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their productivity, streamline their research and note-taking process, and enhance narration. Whether you're a student juggling multiple classes, a professional managing projects, or someone who loves to keep their thoughts organized, this tool has something for everyone. With its intuitive features, seamless integrations, and ability to adapt to your unique learning and working style, NotebookLM Plus stands out in a crowded market. Plus, the community around it makes exploring its features and capabilities more enjoyable. So, why not give it a try? You might find your new digital companion. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot and helps create even better videos for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.